See, to this game, there's one plan, and I have the answer. Holler at me though. Hi, go. Come on, check me out. Hype, 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 hype. Check me out now. Hype is counting, 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 counting. I'm ready to be drowned. Hype, I'm gonna go. I'm sick of all this pain. I can't take it now. Yes, my brain don't think. This all fucked up. All the drugs, I can't take it. Barely been out here trying to just make it. The pain is so deep, ain't no coming back. Yes, you know that I got only got knows why on my back. Don't you ever play STF, strength to family. Yes, I'll bring this shit. No, don't try to marry me. No, I'm going. Matter of fact, you can never know when my name is Hype Boy. Yes, this means brother too. So you know that I am cool, cooler than you too. Love you, Dustin, that's my dog. That's my motherfucking blood. I will kill you if you ever try to pull out your thug. Cap you with the slug. Put you in the bug. Now your ass grounded with a couple tires tied around your motherfucking neck. Yes, I'll strap my motherfucking vest. Put you in the dirt. Yes, I'm coming, it's a curse. I will ride for my dogs. Put that on my sisters, dog. Yes, I'm bringing like that, folk. Yes, I'm smoking like that, folk. That the white my mouth, I might take teeth, but you know that I've been raw. Kill 'em all decayed. It is what I finally do. Yeah, I bring it back to bases like Tony Montana too. No, you cannot find me, dude. Yes, I'm ballin', I'm going through in my brain like who got some fruity pebbles to explain to me how you all think you do it. No, you could never do this shit. Yes, I'm going through it. My can't take it. I do it, pigs in a blanket. That's an undercover. If you ever just was thinking, no, I ain't gonna do it. I'm gonna go through it. Yeah, you know me, GMC boy. Bring it like toys, busting all noise. Toe shorty, let's get that door. Poly moly rolly, couldn't even fuck with Ginobili. Like Donnie for keys in my hair like Romeo. Coming boy, yes I'll show you like roly poly over now like my rover has got a flat. But shout out to Ace, you inspired me that I can do anything that I want, so I do. I'm gonna bring it for my team. Could you ever ball harder than my team? No.